It isn't just the people who file for unemployment receiving benefits. As Denver 7's Liz Gelardi reports, plenty of people are learning they've qualified for aid despite never applying.
I picked up the mail as usual. I saw a letter from a U.S. bank.
A letter Tim Patton wasn't expecting. He wasn't expecting to see this either.
And it was a ReliaCard.
He didn't even know what a ReliaCard was. He had to Google it. That's when he found out it was a card the government uses to distribute unemployment benefits. But Tim isn't unemployed.
No, I'm not. I'm retired and happy to be retired. I have been retired for 12 years.
The Colorado Department of Labor and Employment is tracking a new fraud scheme involving fake unemployment claims, and retired people are being targeted.
And so they're taking that identity, filing a fraudulent claim, and then the debit card is actually getting sent to the victim's home.
And how they got my name, I don't know.
A spokesperson for the state says if you receive one of these cards and didn't ask for one, you should call U.S. Bank ReliaCard and deactivate it immediately. Tim tried to do that.
I called several phone numbers that I found on the internet for ReliaCard. All of those have a hold on the thing, and I hold for 2-3 hours and nothing.
Contact 7 reached out to ReliaCard on his behalf and asked them to look into his case. In light of the new scam, the state just updated its website to include several steps victims can take, like contacting the 3 credit reporting agencies.
Don't know why I received it.
Tim is frustrated. He spent several hours trying to cancel a card he didn't want or ask for, all on top of worrying about his identity being compromised.
And just think that something needs to be done to where people who get it incorrectly can cancel without going through too much trouble.
Liz Gelardi, Denver 7.
So frustrating. And no matter the issue, Contact 7 is here to help. You can tell us about any problems you're having by sending an email to contact7@thedenverchannel.com. And if it's easier for you, you can call the number right there on your screen.